Hello guys. How's it going? Today we will learn how to make letter for change of address. So let's get started. Right-click on desktop, open new Word file with give a name to it. Change of address. Then open a document. Set writing distance with page setup. And then begin letter writing with reference and the date as usual. Reference and date is a basic part of a letter, so don't forget it. If you are writing a letter to Courier Services, Pakistan Telecommunications, or any other services, you will write a letter to an area manager or customer care representative. You will type their complete company name with office location only. Now you will write a subject of your intimation letter. Change of mailing address of change of address. Both subject headings are sufficient to provide short view of a letter. We will write subject, change of address. In a greeting salutation, we will give a reference of letter subject. Reference to the above subject, due to change of address. We would like to inform you about our new address and wishing to change over new address. Our new address is below. Kindly note down and update in your record for future mailing or correspondences. Now you will need to provide both of addresses in a body of letter. A. Complete old address. B. Complete new address. end of the letter, you will again remind them that I am unable to receive mails on my previous address and let them know that. Update your record for future correspondences. Invalidation. Write name of a company or a user, and the space for authorized signature or stamp. When you have completed your letter writing, anytime after completion of work, you should carefully review your work. Search grammatical mistakes and errors. Convert most important words in bold with title case style. And more than important words should be in cascade bold style.